Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates on leading a less ordinary life.
Okay, all right. So now today I am going to share with all of you something which will going to tear you apart, the game of mind, consistency and manifestation. Now the game which I'm going to share with you, trust me, this is a game which plays the most important central, vital, primordial role in your overall transformation journey and in your overall success. Let it be a transformation to become a non-uniform officer. Let it be a transformation to crack the SSB, get recommended. Let it be a transformation about your success in your otherwise life to invoke your non-uniform officer. Let it be a transformation as an entrepreneur. Let it be a transformation in your career. Let it be a transformation to get into any of the prestigious places you want to get into, IAS, IPS, whatever it is. That means anything and everything that you want to do in your life, something less ordinary, which I always call, I'm sure you know about this, the less ordinary community. So anything that you want to do something in your life as a less ordinary, this game plays the most vital role. All right. So now before I tell you that what is the role and what is the game, I'm going to show you one video right away, a 4-minute video, and trust me, that video will going to spellbound you in a certain way, because that's a video, it's a wonderful video created by the Gale Studio, and that's a video on the world's deadliest murder by the world's slowest weapon. All right, so just watch the video and I want you to just watch it completely in, and after watching how you are feeling, let me see that, right? And then I'll share the game of mind, consistency and manifestation. All right, okay, there we go.
Some murders take seconds, others take minutes, some murders take hours. Now this murder takes years. It began as a nuisance.
Ow! What the? Ow!
It became a menace.
Get out of my house! What the fuck is wrong with you? Ow!
Now, forensic pathologist Jack Cucciano is running for his life.
This lunatic has been attacking me all night. He has just broken into my house, and I need a squad car here right now. Okay, this is gonna sound ridiculous, but he's got a spoon, but it hurts like hell. And hello? Hello?
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again.
This strange man's been attacking me with a spoon. He's everywhere I go. Everywhere. And
Did you say spoon?
I just want my life back.
You need professional help, Jack.
Get the hell out of here!
I'm sorry, Jack, but there's just no way to determine that these wounds aren't self-inflicted.
They're not self-inflicted.
You need evidence, Jack.
Get away from me! Get away from me!
would you do? You can't escape. You can't stop it. You can't kill it. It will find you. It will catch you. Over 12 years in the making. Filmed on 5 continents. With a running time of over 9 hours. Perhaps the most relentless murder in the history.
Okay, all right. Let me ask you people, how did you, what is your reaction after going with this? Let me know the reaction first of all.
सर ये मजाक हो रहा है
I'm sorry,
मजाक चल रहा है
मजाक चल रहा है. हाँ, बिल्कुल सही बात है, वो तो है तो मजाक ही, absolutely. But I want to see मतलब like what exactly after watching the video, what you have got as in that I want to see. Perspective, I want to see your perspective.
A small thing can give a lot of pain.
Okay, all right.
Your fear can give you.
Small thing can get lot of pain. Okay, what else? So Nanya is saying, I believe that it's all in our mind. Okay, what else?
It's about the consistency. He was so consistently he was applying that weapon, and finally at the end he was able to get through that, get through it.
Okay, very nice. All right.
So the spoon becomes his fear. That is why he has.
Wonderful. All right. So, what you people have come up with different things. Very good to see and listen that. Now, see, absolutely correct. Yes, though it is undoubtedly, obviously, it is a video which has just been scripted, and it has been perfectly scripted by the Gale Studio. They have done it wonderfully well. I'm sure when you were watching it, so your overall attention was completely bound by this video. You were like having that curiosity, and you never even knew about it, how that 4 minutes just went like a tick of a second. Now let me tell you why I have just showcased this video. This video is just to give you a very strong analogy, which you people have said in different things, but I want to give you a very simple understanding, a very important thread of your overall game of your transformation, your overall game of your success, be it ever the success when it comes to, as I said, your SSB, your career, your any of the particular thing which you want to pursue, your entrepreneurship, and it is irrespective of the age group. It has nothing to do with the age group, right? It could be like where you are already in a very good place in your career, and from there you want to take a jumping pad and want to go to a next level. See, as I always say, everything and every time you must be watching that during the program and transformational journey we have been talking. Everything starts from the mind, right? I want to really make you people understand the essence of everything. So a lot of time we watch things, but we don't understand the essence of it. I'm sure this video was like it was hilarious as well. As Prabdeep has said, yes, it is hilarious, because when I watch, so the very first time when I watched it, like years and years back, I can't tell you, we were like crazy after watching this. But apart from that, something a very deep thought and learning which I was able to connect, which I want to share with all of you is the thread and the game of mind, consistency and manifestation. Everything starts from your mind. Mind is the ultimate source for creation of anything and everything, for the creation of the best invention in the world, and for doing the nastiest deed in this planet. So you talk about doing from the best of the best and doing from the worst to worst, from a soldier serving from a nation to a terrorist who has nothing to do for the humanity, for the people. If you talk about both the cases, ultimately the game starts from this mind only. It starts from this mind. When something starts from the mind, the second game of the thread, which is very important, is what really matters in your life. It does not matter who you are, from where you come. You come from a small town, big town. You know English or you don't know English. Who was your parents? Have you got a support or not? Whatever you are, whichever background you are, irrespective of that, what really matters is your consistency, which leads to your perseverance. How much consistent you are for your goal. So as you just saw in the video, so the game started with the mind only, when he just had this thought when someone is trying to kill him with a spoon. It created with the mind, but the mind is so sharp, it's so intelligent that something which comes here, it has the capability to create anything and everything. And you can see it is called as the most inefficient weapon. मतलब आप कभी अपने सपने में भी सोच सकते हो कि किसी आदमी का स्पून से आप मर्डर कर सकते हो. Just think of it. आप लोगों को हंसी आएगी. You will just laugh like anything. You will say कि यार मजाक हो रहा है क्या? But try to understand what analogy we are trying to give from this fictitious video. But this is a very important learning, a video which tells us a very important thing. Consistency is a game through which you can make anything tear apart. A lot of people who say that I have a problem of a knock knee. Small or little knock knees can be solved with general exercises, right? But just ask them, do they have been very consistent right from the beginning, from months and months and years, in order to be very honest on their consistency to get rid of that? So many people have a problem to express in front of people, in front of their, when they go for interviews or when they have to express their knowledge. Do they have been consistent in expressing themselves consistently, irrespective of the fact that they have been very disastrous every time they have been speaking in front of the people? A lot of time we talk about that we really want to keep ourselves completely fit and fine physically. Do we have really come up with that consistency to tear apart and to make that game-changing thing happen within us? We have never done it. Never ever. So the idea is, the second part of the thread, which is very important, is something which has started from this mind. Once it will get the consistency, trust me, that will going to break the game. That will going to break the game. And when consistency becomes so sharp, it becomes so focused, just like a laser beam. Can you think of spoon, such a focused instrument, irrespective of the fact it is absolutely not a weapon. It's not a weapon. It's something, a very normal thing. But so focused thing can make a small thing develop into a very high energy. And let me tell you, this consistency leads to your perseverance, which finally leads to your manifestation. That means you are on a particular journey, and after that consistency that has been happening all across the overall game, you are finally able to manifest that in front of you. Finally, you are able to create that thing, and that creation could be breaking yourself to become as a non-uniform officer, breaking yourself to go to the next dimension as a less ordinary person, breaking yourself to get into the SSB, breaking yourself once you are into the Forge, getting into the special wing of Para SF, breaking yourself to get to the best level in the corporate world, breaking yourself to be one of the leading entrepreneurs. It could be anything and everything. So the idea is this thread of mind consistency, which leads to this manifestation, is so important, which I really want each one of you to understand by heart and live it each day without any reason. Always remember, 90% of the people these days who are clinically diagnosed as in the state of a depression, do you know, out of those 90%, 88% state of clinical depression, it starts from mind. It was never clinical. It was always in the mind. It started from the mind when they were not able to take and accept the psychological pressure. Or in other words, they were not able to keep their self into a certain dimension where they were able to see that pressure into a progressive way. That particular thing which got seeded up into the mind. So as you bow a seed in the ground, so you do it under the ground, you never realize something pops up out. Similarly, once you have feeded a seed inside this, and if you keep on nurturing that seed, what do you mean by nurturing? Ground mein aap seed dalte ho, usme खाद डालते हो, you put up a manure, you put up the water, you are nurturing it. You put up a seed here, you keep on thinking about it. You keep talking about it. So for example, if I put up a seed, I am good for nothing. I'm not able to crack NDA. I'm not able to crack CDS. I'm not able to get into the successful entrepreneurship. I'm not able to do this. Now you keep on thinking about this. And then you keep on being consistent on the fact saying it, I'm good for nothing. I can't do anything. I am completely done. Certainly you are nurturing that thought. Once you are nurturing that thought, one day will come, something will pop out of the ground. The moment it will pop out of the ground, you will be diagnosed at the state of clinically depressed. Or in other words, the plant will come out. It will get manifested. This is a very, very simple game of manifestation. And why I really want you to understand and accept this game of manifestation by heart. I really want each one of you to accept it by heart, because trust me, to be very honest, anywhere in your life, you never know that in what state of mind you will be leading your life, what will going to come next in your life. No one knows. But if you understand this one single principle, this one single thread, very profoundly with due clarity, and accept it gracefully, that is right from mind, consistency, and manifestation. Trust me, you can deal with any situation and you can make that situation stand for you in your favor, and you can get the best outcome of that. And on contrary, you will be the only person who can make that situation the most devastated for you, can make that situation that will going to destroy you and will going to create such a thing, that situation will going to make you vanish forever.